any of that, just make sure your face is beat and your hair is done, because they're going to be looking at the coat. That's for sure. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra, and on this channel I'll be talking about lifestyle, fashion, styling, a little bit of everything. Today I will be doing a closet haul. I will be doing a coat collection, some of my coat collection, because if I do all of them it'll make the video too long. So I could probably do half and half. So I'll do this half, I'll do some of the heavier coats, and then the next half I'll do some of the lighter coats. Let's get into it. So this first coat that I am pulling out, this one is from Fashion Nova. I was looking for, now mind you, when I bought this, I was living in Chicago. Well, what we would say is Chicago, because I lived in North Chicago. But when you say North Chicago, people like, Chicago, they don't get it. So we just say Chicago. But I was living in Chicago, and I bought this jacket. And it was, you know, it gets cold out there. So this one is very, very heavy. You will be sweating in the first 10 minutes of putting this thing on. So it has to be really cold to put this thing on. I don't wear it here. I've relocated. I'm in Florida. I don't wear it here. I kept it just in case. You know, sometimes you go home. So I kept it just in case. And I'll be putting the pictures up. I don't think they have this on the Fashion Nova website anymore. I'll look and see if I can find anything similar, but this thing is so heavy. At the time, I thought it was really cute. I don't really like it too much anymore. Let's see. I don't like it like I used to, I'll say. It's still nice. It'll get the job done if you're freezing and you're out of town somewhere where you need it, but I'm looking for something, I think a little bit more furry, a little bit, I like that messy look. So I was looking for that online. I did find one, and it was way in France, and I bought it from the girl, and then the website that we went through said that something was wrong with the zipper, and they canceled my order. And I'm so mad about that, but I'm glad, because I didn't want to buy a faulty jacket. But I'm still on the look, so if you guys know of any websites where I can get like a more fuzzy or shearling looking jacket, let me know. But this is the first jacket. Very heavy. Like I said, you will be sweating, and that's why I'm about to take this one off before I start sweating in the house. But it is very, very big, very versatile. I would say you can wear this with jeans. You can wear this, like, when I wore this, I wore jeans and a t-shirt and some gym shoes. One time I wore like dress pants and a button down. I didn't wear this coat too much, but when I did, it was usually with jeans and a t-shirt, or jeans and a long sleeve shirt. This next jacket came from SHEIN, of all places. I was looking for a jacket that was like a black faux leather jacket that I could wear with like my faux leather leggings and stuff like that. I happened to find this on SHEIN, of all places. I was shocked, but this is where I found it. I love this jacket. I wear this jacket a lot. And let's see if I can get it around my body. I wear this jacket a lot. But I'll put it on. This is one of my everyday jackets. I'll put this on with my jeans or my leggings, my gym shoes, and I'm out the door. Very nice. It's roomy. I think I got this in an extra large, and I think it was between $30 and $40, somewhere around there. Very reasonable, and like I said, very stylish. I like the white stripes on the sides. That's what sold me. It's buttons, no zipper, so you don't have to worry about that breaking. There's a little weight to it, just a little bit, so it makes it not look so cheap, and it makes it not feel so cheap. But very cute jacket. I did feature this on my SHEIN haul, one of my first YouTubes. But I love this jacket. I wear it all the time. Very cute, very stylish. and you can wear it with a lot of things. So I love it. This one here, I got of all places off of XPL Wear. Now I hear a lot of negative stuff about XPL Wear. I think you just got it. It's certain things on there that's good, that's okay to buy. I usually stick with denim. This is the first purchase I made on there. I bought this because I saw a coat like this on Macy's website. When I went to buy it, it was sold out. So I looked on another website, and I can't remember. It was like what I found out to be a dupe of a designer coat. So, of course, when I did find it somewhere else, it was super expensive because it was a real, like, actual designer's coat. So I went back and I searched it, and I found this one on XPL Wear. Now this coat is very much a statement coat. This is very much a statement piece. This is very much going to be your like the main attraction of your outfit. This is the first thing they're going to see when I go wear this coat. People always compliment the coat, never anything else I have on. So just know when you put this coat on, this is what they're going to see. They're not going to see anything you have on. So basically, you can put on a bodysuit, some pants, and some sneakers. You can put on a whole jumpsuit and basically some flats. You can put on some boots with it. Nobody's really going to pay attention to any of that. Just make sure your face is beat and your hair is done, because they're going to be looking at the coat. That's for sure. But yes, I just wore this. Over the past weekend, I went somewhere and there was a couple of ladies that stopped me and said, I love that coat. So this is very much a statement coat. I don't think they have it on that website anymore. I did search before I made this video and they don't. I don't know where it is, but I will try and look and see if there are any websites that have it. If not, I'll see if I can find something similar to it and link it in the description box. This coat here, they called it a woolen coat. I think it's wool. But I saw it on SHEIN. I thought it was different. It has the three stripes. So that made me think in the mind of Adidas. Made me thinking in the mind of those Ivy Park trench coats as well. And I was like, ooh, you know, I think it was a good price. I'm gonna link it. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but they called it a woolen coat, whatever that is. I wore this with a jumpsuit, one of those jumpsuits that they have on Amazon that they say suck you in, and it does. I wore it with some of those socks. Now let me tell y'all about these socks I saw. I saw these socks on a couple of places. I saw them on Pinterest. I saw them on TikTok. I saw them on, where else? I saw them another place, Instagram, I think. These socks were so cute. It put me in the mind of Michael Jackson. Now, mind you, they're not like that. They are like scrunchy socks, and they call them the bejeweled socks. And I saw them being sold for between $90 and $100, which I thought was crazy. And I was like, I'm going to make those socks. So I did. And I'm going to put a picture up of the sock that I wore with this coat. I made my own. I put the jewels on there myself. And I, mind you, it's so cute. And I love the look. But they're going to hear you coming from a mile away. You sound like Jingle Bells. I sounded like Jingle Bells. I was walking and all I could hear is like, it sounded like the dog, like a dog collar. But it was so cute on. I loved it. It was so cute. And I put my, you know, I don't know if I showed it, but I put my denim purse on with it, with my little Adidas shoes and my bejeweled socks. Super cute. But let's get into the coat. My lighting is acting crazy. Sorry. So this coat here, I wore, like I said, with just with a jumpsuit and some gym shoes, and it came out really cute. So this I got, I believe, in the extra large. Ooh, can I get it on? I got it in the extra large. It's long, mind you. I'm 5'9". The pockets are functional. To come from SHEIN, I expected it to be a little bit more cheap, but it is really good quality. I love this jacket. When I got it, I did have to iron it. It was really wrinkly, but it looks good. I like the collar. That's what I like, the modern collar. The wider collar makes the coat look better to me. The other collars make it look cheap or dated, you know. But yes, this looks so good. And I don't get a lot of wear out of it, but I love this jacket. It is so cute. And I'll, like I said, link a picture. Very nice. And I didn't say cute as much this time. Now this one here, when I saw it, as soon as I saw it, I wanted it right away. Like, where do I buy this coat from? I didn't know where to look. And so the first thing I did, I tried to Google it, but I didn't know what it was called. I saw it on like someone's Pinterest, and I was like, I need that jacket. I didn't know, like I said, what it was called, so I just started Googling teddy jacket with denim. Nothing was popping up. And then I remembered to just Google picture, you know how you do the Google picture. So I did that, and this coat popped up. I bought mine from Nordstrom, and it is called the Blank NYC. That's what it's called. It is sold out. Unfortunately, no. I actually saw like a small and a medium somewhere. I'll link it in the description box. But the larger size are, like the large and the extra large, are sold out. And I looked at a few sites once I knew the name of it. But I will link it. And again, I love this coat. I wear it with denim all the time, and that just sets out my denim. This is the star of the show. When you put this coat on, you could just put on like a denim shirt and like some blue jeans. The rest of your outfit will not matter. Nobody is looking at it. They're wanting to know about the coat. This is a big, like a good twist on the teddy coat, because at first I wanted the teddy coat, the full length ones, but it was hard for me to find because of my height. So it was like, I don't want it if it's not going to hit where the ankle where everybody else is. It's not going to look right. But when I saw this one, sold. It's so unique. It's so different. And it's nice. Like I said, I'm a coat person. So although I'm in Florida, as you see, this is crazy how many coats I have out here. I shouldn't have this many coats out here. But I'm a coat person. I love coats. I love jackets. I love blazers. That's my thing. And I would say that most of the time I always try to find a unique coat that sets my outfit out. And this is one of those. I love this coat so much. I had to get it. And before I knew that I could find it, because I had gave up, I started to make my own coat. Now, I saw some teddy coats that were like this size. And I'm like, all I have to do is go and find a denim jacket in the men's section at the thrift store and get my cousin to sew it. Which leads me to my next coat, and I'm going to show it to you. This coat, I have been obsessed with this coat since I laid eyes on it. I saw there was a young lady on Instagram. She makes these coats. I think it's called Restored or something like that. I can't remember what she calls her company, but she makes these coats, and she makes these she makes trench coats. She makes I can't think of what they're called right now, but she makes all of these pieces and hoodies and blazers, and she kind of rocks it out with the jeans. She rips up different plaids and puts it all over the coat. I will put a picture of her Instagram up, but she sells out fast. And then, if you're looking for a certain piece, once she's sold out, you have to wait until she makes it again. She is making these pieces herself, and she is fire. So when I saw this coat, the first time I saw this coat, I think it was a year and a half ago, and I went to click and buy it, and it was sold out. So then I waited 4 or 5 months again, and I tried to click on it, and she didn't have it on the website anymore. And of course, me, I'm like, I'm gonna get that made myself. I'm gonna figure this out. Now, I didn't want to replicate her stuff, so I kind of put my own little spin on it. You know, like certain things that she put on her jacket, I didn't put on my jacket, and certain things like she put I think a R and I put an S for Sandra. But I had to have this coat. I went and I looked at that coat. She had posted a picture of it, and I just looked at that coat and I said, I'm gonna see if my cousin can make this for me. Thank God for the people that I have in my family that sew, that are like, they are exceptional. Cousin Amy, she is the person that hooked my coat up for me. I'm gonna include a picture. This coat, I love this coat so much. I'm so happy, and everything turned out exactly the way I wanted to. My cousin is bomb. She put everything on here. She sewed everything. So what I did was, I got all of the pieces pretty much off Amazon. I found a pair of men's cargo pants. I found this emblem came from Amazon. The S, wherever it is, the S, that came from Amazon. Like I said, the cargo on here, or the camouflage, came from a men's pair of pants from Amazon. And the denim, the Levi, I actually went to the thrift store and found a men's pair of pants. And I sent everything to her. She looked at the picture, knocked it out the box. And this is my coat. I always get questions about this coat. People always stop me about this coat. And this is my another everyday coat that I wear with my jeans, my t-shirt, my you know, my sweaters, and my, you know, my lounging sets and stuff like that. But I get a lot of questions about this coat. I love this coat. I think this is my favorite coat out of all my coats, next to my Prada jacket that I'm gonna put in the next clothing or coat haul, coat collection. But these are those are the two coats that I wear the most. This one here, I'm like, oh, I gotta run to the store. This is sitting on the stool already. I just put it on with my boots, jeans, t-shirt, out the door. So fire. It make your outfit, it just elevates your outfit and make it look like something that is not. You don't even have to try hard when you put this coat on. And I love my cousin for hooking me up for that, because I was like wrecking my brain, like, when's she gonna put those coats back up there? And then the next time I looked, she put up some different coats that had fur on it. I didn't want those. I wanted the one she made similar to this one. But I have one now, and I'm very, very happy with it. And that's the thing. Don't be afraid to see if someone can help you out, and try to make something yourself sometimes, you know, but you'll be real surprised. What else was I going to say about this coat? I think that's it. We are at the end. That was my last jacket. I would like to thank everybody who stayed and watched to the end, because, you know, this is a new channel and I'm trying to get it up and running. So if you could like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell, you know, so you know when I post. And also let me know which one of the coats you like the best. Y'all already know which one I like the best. The last one, of course. My cousin hooked me up. But let me know which one of the coats you like the best. And thank you so much for watching.